Welcome to Bearish. We're not financial professionals, and this is not financial investment advice. Enjoy the episode.
Yeah. We're going to talk about Logan's IVR. We're going to talk about the meme stocks. Hold on. Logan, did you end up making money?
So shit. It was like
Hold on. Give everyone a rundown of this entire trade that has lasted months.
Oh, are we live?
Yeah, we're live.
Okay, we're live. Okay. All right. Dylan. That's where it starts, right?
Bastard. I mean, good guy.
Dill. Good guy. He says, "Hey, guess what? IVR, it's at $4. It's going to $5 within the next 4 months." And this was in February, maybe
That's all?
March. So I'm
Did
like,
he only say 5? I thought he said like 30.
I think I'm under the impression he said, it said he's shooting with no end in sight. And we all said, wow, sold us.
let's just say 5 because it's at least, like, oh, that's reasonable.
Yeah, well, it was.
Let's not paint us out to be total dumbasses. So we all, except for Jared, obviously, we're like, hell yeah, it is. It's going to the moon. So bought a call for this month, expires the 18th. As soon as I bought it, it dropped at least 20% that day. So then IVR kept dropping for like the next 3 months, gets down to where the share price is like $3.50, $3.20, something like that. I don't know.
What was your strike? Was it 5?
I think it was 4.5, to be honest.
Okay.
Wait, did you sell it?
Yes, I did.
Oh, all right.
Finally sold. All right.
Cut that out, Mike. Did I sell it? I don't know. You'll have to find
You'll
out.
have to find out.
So it's my contract is literally worth a cent, and then when it goes up to like worth 2 cents, I'm like, ooh. So I have 10 of them. So the grand total was like
$10.
$400. I want to say $390 for all 10 of them, and so it was currently at a value of $10, something like that. So I was down $390. Yeah, not bad. Then I haven't checked Robinhood in probably a week or so. I get on it this morning and I'm back up to like the initial investment. I'm up 400 and I'm like, sick. So I'm like,
Dude,
I
you
gotta
must
sell
have
that
been shitting
shit.
yourself.
I didn't even make money.
It was glitch, bro.
I know I did. I was like, this is gonna play me. Like the market pre-market just opened up. It's gonna drop down. And that was because like, how your contracts don't hit until 9:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't shit.
Well, I was up 400, and that was when it closed yesterday, and IVR was at $4.22, and then pre-market it was at $4.50. So I knew like my shit was gonna explode when it opened, and it did. And then like everyone just sold, and it got down to 420, and I was like, I'll hold it till it gets to 430. I'll make breakfast, and it was going up, and then I made breakfast, checked it again, it was like down to 410. So then it got up to 420 and I sold, but literally like 20 minutes later it got back up to $4.50, and I would have been up like 600 or 700, something ridiculous.
Wait.
What?
You would have made six
Not
or seven.
up, like gone from 0 to 700. So really only
Oh
up
my
like
God.
200 or 300. Yeah.
The fact that you even made any money on that and completely revived it from the dead
Yeah.
is beyond impressive.
I'm back in stocks, baby.
Well, it's
Hold
fine,
on. So
yeah.
how much did you end up losing? Or making, even?
Well, if I would have sold it like $4.30, then I would have made like 50. If I would have sold it $4.50, I would have made like 200. And then when I ended up selling, I think I lost 10.
Dude, fuck it. That's a
Dude,
win.
I was about to say, you
that's
won.
a
You
fat
won.
ass W, bro.
That's a win, dude.
It was day after day of just getting beat down of 99% loss to, wow, it's actually in the green.
I know, and what's funny is I never check Robinhood, and I was like, there's a very good chance I could have not checked it and completely missed all of this.
Yeah, is there any reason? Have you researched it? Or did you just say, get out of this thing?
I said, I'm no longer down 390. I will now
question
take
it.
my money. Right. Dude, I was telling
not
myself,
question that.
I was like, if I get to like down 200, I'm out ASAP. And then I woke up and I was like break even, and I was like, I'm not gonna be greedy.
Bro, I don't understand what happened. There were 100 million shares traded yesterday.
Bro, no.
This time by 30 minutes into the market, so like 10 o'clock, it was at 24 million volume traded. Like ridiculous.
I don't understand why.
And its average is 7 or something like that a day.
It's the same reason that Wendy's was up about 20% the other day, because Wall Street Bets linked tendies and chicken nuggets that Wendy's makes and then wanted to invest in it.
Yeah.
So that's basically how it's gone down. That's where the
so
market's
funny.
going right now.
I looked up IVR and it said something about Wall Street Bets, but
It's because it's being shorted by like 20%. IVR is because like as inflation goes up or something like that, the housing market's gonna drop. So then IVR drops, and so it was being shorted like crazy.
Well, we were sitting here, I think it was like last night or the night before, and we were thinking, you know what? We're sick. Jared even said he's going to start investing, which has been mind-blowing. Not investing, trading. He said he's going to buy something. He wants to buy something. Sound the alarms.
well, it would be investing. I wouldn't be trading.
You would invest in one of these memes.
No.
Oh, I thought you said Clover, which is a
No.
110%
Okay.
a
All
meme.
right. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So tell them the story.
So we were sitting there, and we thought, how are we going to make money? Everybody's making money. These idiots are making money. We want to make some money. So we looked up, you said IVR is getting shorted. We looked up all the top shorted stocks, and we said, you know what? These are the ones that are flying because Wall Street Bets wants to beat the big guys down and make them lose their money because they're shorting
they want
it.
to beat the shorts.
Yep.
Yeah, they want to beat the
So
shorts.
so we came up with this amazing, magnificent
Foolproof, actually.
plan. I
Can't
took
lose.
a took a screenshot of the top shorted stocks on the stock market.
Cannot lose.
We went through them all. We were like, all right, this one, Workhorse. Top shorted, around 40% short interest.
Good
We
company.
we dug deep. Wall Street Bets, I logged onto the Reddit. They were talking about it. Max bought it, and
At 9:30, you know what? My dad even said, "Do not buy at 9:30, 10 o'clock. These are when all the scrubs are buying." And I was like, "Yeah, you know what? You're right, Dad." And my ass woke up the next morning, 9:35. I bought Workhorse. I bought $200-300 worth of Workhorse. And,
Okay.
We need Mike to put the graph up here, if you can. Put the graph up. Yeah, that thing did nothing but go south today.
Yeah.
And yesterday. I bought it yesterday, and I sold this morning. Also at around 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I was another scrub moment. But yeah, it was a quick $150 loss. That foolproof plan, which was we thought impenetrable, it lost us money. It lost me money.
Yeah.
My dad.
Yeah, I was about
made
to
money.
say, I like how you're the one who did it.
Well, he was, dude. The night before, he's like, dude, I'm a buying too. What are we doing tomorrow? Which ones are we in? And I was like, he was one. He was like, Workhorse is gonna do it. And fucking 9:30, I'm laying there in bed. He's like, or I was like, I didn't even mention it because as soon as I got into it, it went down. Like I was like down. I'm talking within a couple minutes, I was 10%. And he was like, Jared was like, what do you think you're gonna buy today? And I was like, I don't really know. Keep on watching. And I finally got to like 11:30 to be like, you know what, I bought in and I'm getting fucking railed.
I was
today.
gonna buy, but
How
you
much-
know what the problem is, Logan?
fake me, bro.
Completely forgot. I went on to buy it, and it says your account is restricted from purchasing. And I was like, fuck.
Why?
I did too many day trades 3 months ago that I completely forgot about.
Wait, you did too many how many months ago?
Day trades like 3 months ago
And you're
Restricts
still
your account.
restricted?
until June 15th. Yeah.
Hey, that's my IVR contract expiration.
So I guess that saved me because I also would have bought Workhorse. So here we are thinking we can outsmart the apes that eat crayons. And we couldn't.
No,
So.
everything, every single meme stock was down today. There was actually one certain stock. What was it up today? Do you remember the ticker?
Yeah.
I think it was up 1,200. 1,200%.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Stupid. It
In a
was stupid. It
single
was stupid.
day.
OC.
It was
You
some
tell
medical
me-
stock.
You're telling me you could have put in like 50 and made over $500?
Yeah, Max's dad came home. He goes, "Did you guys hear about this stock? I fucking forget what it was called, but it opened up at $5 and it reached 70 off of like 7 million volume.
Yeah, it was
which is
7 million.
nothing,
That's
which
just
is
one
nothing.
hedge fund just having the time of his life. Like, watch this, and then puts in his $1 billion and it shoots up. That's
Watch
basically what
this.
it is. Meanwhile,
But
I'm
yeah.
out here losing money on Workhorse while he's faking it, acting like he was going to buy into Workhorse and didn't buy into Workhorse.
That's my bad.
And IVR revived. Quite impressive. It's been a whirlwind of a day.
Yeah.
So this is our second
Lovely.
apology to Dylan, who probably doesn't watch this anyway. Dylan, we're sorry. We didn't know Wall Street Bets was gonna, take a hold of IVR.
We know that you had this planned since February, that IVR was going to pop on June 9th.
You're a legend,
We knew you knew, and we're formally apologizing.
We were so
we have 10
blind
minutes
before,
left.
but you knew that Wall Street Bets was going to come out of nowhere and raise it over $1 in one single day, Dill.
And that's why you're in Miami starting a hedge fund.
He's not starting a hedge fund.
He's not starting a hedge
He's
fund.
working.
That's why you're doing something with the word hedge fund in it.
All right. What else do we have planned?
BBIG? I've been harping BBIG.
I know you have.
Yeah,
It railed me today.
No, Max.
It railed.
It hasn't seen a red day in weeks, probably months. And
Oh, then you're still
this one
up
was-
total. Just
Oh
on
yeah, no,
BBIG.
I'm still up, but I was up upwards of like 400, 450 today, and I'm only up like $130 now. Like I'm talking, I looked at my account, it was like down like 350 at one point, and that's when I swiped out of it. I said, nope, not today, not bringing down my day. But you know what I did? I learned from Charlie Munger, the greatest investors. Charlie Munger, what's the other guy? Warren Buffett, and
It's hard to remember.
and
his
Jared
name.
Hesketh, the three greatest investors to ever live. When everyone's selling, what do?
You buy.
You buy. So I bought more. I'm 300 shares deep
Oh,
plus
boy.
a contract. And when I say all of my money is in BBIG, I mean all my money is in BBIG. and you know what? We're letting it ride.
Yeah,
Just covering all bases, huh? Contracts,
whole
stocks, got them all.
Yeah, the whole diversify your portfolio, not around here.
No, it is. It is. It's diversified in BBIG puts, BBIG calls, BBIG stocks.
No, I even sold a call today against BBIG. I sold a call, bought a call, and bought shares. I am diversifying in BBIG if you're thinking about it.
Well done.
Yo,
Yeah, unreal.
Logan, we were driving to work out, and he goes, "I have 3 calls against BBIG. I don't even remember doing this."
I swear to God, I'm on fucking Robinhood just swiping. Like they make it almost too easy. They need like a protection for me being like, you really know what you're doing? Like you.
I'm officially
you just did
quitting
this?
Robinhood. I'm transferring
Yes.
all the money and going to Webull.
Oh,
are you?
What?
Yeah. It's actually sick.
Weeble blows. No, Weeble
Why?
blows.
Why are you doing that?
The interface is just unreal.
I haven't even looked at
No.
it to be honest.
I think Weeble's complicated as hell.
Yeah, well, they make it that way, but if you just kind of poke around with it, like if you literally just spend an hour or 30 minutes poking around with it, it has so much shit that's more helpful than just Robinhood's like stock, like
Hot
base.
take.
I don't know.
Hot take.
Weeble over Robinhood? Question mark.
You can day trade on it, so
Logan hates Robinhood? Question mark.
you can day trade on it. So you would not have had this restriction for 3 months.
True.
I would have
Robinhood.
ended up losing money on Workhorse if Robinhood didn't save my life.
Robinhood
Robinhood saved my life? Question mark.
Fuck off.
just clickbait as much stuff as we possibly can.
Logan, did you see our Instagram story about Mr. Donald Trump talking about the stock market and Bitcoin?
I did not.
Boy, was it
You know what?
biased, weird. I don't know the word.
We see through you followers. We're gonna do a little behind the scenes experiment. You know, you guys just act your normal ways, but we see through you because we've never had as much interaction with a post until we put damn Donald Trump's face right on
Dude.
it, and people were all over that.
Dude,
Mad,
All over.
good, bad.
for some reason, Donald Trump brought in 75% of our followers on our Instagram story. So Donald Trump went on Fox News and said, "I'm not investing in the stock market. It's too high." And then the guy followed up that question with, "Do you like Bitcoin?" And he goes, "No, I think Bitcoin's a scam." Pretty much is what he said. So I put on our Instagram story, "Do you guys agree with Trump that the stock market is too high?" An astounding 90% said yes, something stupid. Okay, and when in reality most people say no, but here
Literally.
we are. We're putting
But
Anyways.
Trump said it, so you know maybe they went with it because
They-
the man, the myth, the legend said it.
They
you know?
saw it.
Hey,
They were like, you know
I
what?
will say
I
this.
think it is too high.
Trump
What a good point.
not a good dude. Trump with money, very good with it. Very good.
Knows what he's doing. Knows what he's doing.
So right after that, right after Trump said, I think the stock market's too high, like I said, the following question is, what do you think about Bitcoin? He goes, Bitcoin, just seems like a scam. Pretty much what he said. And, people our age love Bitcoin. Throw it up on the Instagram story. Is Bitcoin a scam? Do you agree with Trump? Somehow, many, many people decided to agree with Trump on this one.
Yep.
And I believe many, many people that voted yes were also fans of Bitcoin. So I'm seeing a little,
It's quite impressive how switch of gears when you put a man's face on top of those words,
Just start putting Trump's face over things that he has nothing to do with. That was weird. You guys both broke your neck.
That's all. He's going to have to cut this. Appreciate it, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
We'll eat that in 5 minutes.
What'd you say, Logan?
All right, continue. Go.
I forgot. Oh, yeah.
Trump?
Oh, yeah.
Bitcoin?
You should just start putting Trump's face over polls that he has absolutely nothing to do with.
Yeah.
Just to get viewer interaction.
To be honest, viewer interaction and see how much people switch up, because I'm pretty sure we put the same stuff on our story a few weeks ago, just in different terms, and been like, what do you guys think of crypto?
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, exactly. And it's like,
Is the market too high? No. It's going to keep going. Trump
what?
says the market's too high. Is it too high? Yeah. You think I'm investing in the stock market? No.
Yeah.
Crypto's a scam. Did Trump say it? Yes. Oh, God. Crypto's the scammiest thing there is. What?
Just doesn't make sense. It's not.
I think it may be like as crypto gets more and more publicity, I'm starting to hear more and more people say what actually is crypto, especially when it hit its peak of like Elon going on SNL. Like even my grandparents were like, yeah, I hear everyone talking about it, but what actually is it? And I think people are starting to realize no one knows what it really is or what its use is. And so they're like, this might be a scam. Yeah.
We might be getting robbed.
You have people talking about it on TikTok, and they get mad, bro. When you bring up crypto, they get mad, and then they start using these words that don't make any sense to make them sound like they know what the hell crypto is.
Dylan?
When in reality, no one knows what the fuck crypto is.
No.
And also, someone on TikTok commented, Logan, we didn't have anything to post yesterday, so we posted the Donald Trump video. Instant hit, 51,000 views.
In like a day.
900. So many comments, right? Someone put, and it was the most amazing thing.
Yeah, it actually was.
Isn't crypto backed by the dollar? And isn't crypto competing with the dollar?
Yeah, because Donald Trump said he doesn't like he thinks crypto is a scam because ultimately it's competing against the dollar.
And he
It's
loves
like
the dollar.
It's competition against the dollar. But the guy,
That's a
comment
fair
was
point.
Like, the comment was like Bitcoin would be nothing without the dollar. So it's like it's almost like one needs the other, which is kind of like, that's actually a good point. So
Bitcoin needs the dollar?
Well, what is its value based off of?
Bitcoin needs a dollar?
Well, I mean, to be honest, it is based off the dollar. So without the dollar, Bitcoin would not be there. Therefore, is it really competition? Could be helpful.
Post this clip and let us know. Do you agree with Trump?
Do you like Trump?
Do you think
that's another
Bitcoin's a
one,
scam?
Is the market too high?
Should Trump rerun for office?
Trump 2024 question mark?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that'll be... let's get some clickbait on that one.
That'll spark up some views. Hell yeah.
Thanks, guys.
We're right under 20.
All right.
All right,
How does
Mike,
this
you're
thing
welcome.
fly?
Huh?
This actually flies. The time during this?
Yeah.
Logan, you got to close this out, dude. We're running real close to this 20-minute mark.
Yeah, he's going to shit a brick.
He's gonna freak
Hey,
the fuck out.
Michael, I'm not going to say the outro. I'm not going to do it.
Stall for 21 seconds.
All right, guys. That's episode 26.
Can't even see. I think it is 26.
Yeah, 26,
Okay.
We've been here for that long. That's 26 weeks. Actually, we missed one.
25.
Yeah, we missed last week.
That's
we
a lot of
took a
weeks.
week off, and our last episode, Jared had McDonald's Wi-Fi. So it's like he starts talking, and then 6 seconds later you hear it, so then one of us is already talking. So it's just two full sentences going at it at one time.
Yeah.
It wasn't good.
So apologies for the lack of posts.
Yeah, we're back.
Anyways.
But we're back, though.
You heard us mention it. Follow us on the Insta. Follow us on the TikTok. That's where we get a lot of interactions. Follow the YouTube. We have our main YouTube, and we also have our YouTube Shorts. Join the Discord. It's a bit dead, but we're trying to liven it up.
Twitter,
I'm gonna keep it a buck
We've
with
been
y'all.
saying that since week 1. The Discord's falling a little behind, but it'll get there.
Same with Twitter. We're just memeing on Twitter now. I follow like Logan Paul just to say some stupid ass shit on his post just to get some traction. Hasn't worked yet, but we're trying. Anyway, follow us, you know.
Follow TikTok,
Interaction.
Instagram, Discord,
Bing.
YouTube Shorts. Yeah.